In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Logitech G733 on Xbox and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, the Logitech G733 is a very budget-friendly wireless headset. It uses the wireless technology from Logitech to connect to various different devices, primarily a PC. Now, can you connect this to an Xbox console? So either the new gen Xbox Series S or X, an Xbox One if you are on old gen, or any other models? Well, because the only way to connect this headset is going to be through the USB stick, what you may try to do is plug it into any of the available ports on your console. After you plug this USB dongle or receiver into your console and you go ahead and you press the power button, you will notice that nothing happens. Even if you browse through all of the audio devices on your Xbox console, you try to go inside of a party chat, a voice chat, or even a game, no audio will be transmitted over, even if you try using the charging cable to fully charge the headset. So as it stands today, what is the deal with the 733? Is it possible to use it on an Xbox? Do we require an additional adapter? Or do we need another version of this headset? Sadly, the actual answer to the question in the title of this video is that it is impossible to use the G733 on an Xbox. Most headsets, especially wireless ones that work with Xbox consoles, have to be licensed by Microsoft. The G733 is not licensed by Microsoft, and because of this fact, it cannot be used with an Xbox console. So even if you plug in the receiver, you try using some sort of adapter, or you try another connection mode, it isn't going to work. Xbox is not capable of recognizing these unlicensed headsets by using their official dongles, and it doesn't support Bluetooth connectivity. So as it stands today, you will not be able to use it on an Xbox console. If this video cleared up any questions that you had on how to use Logitech G733 on Xbox, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about these limitations. Thank you for watching.